Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to optimize Etsy listings for SEO. On Etsy, visibility is earned through search relevance. You can have the best handmade item in the category, but if your title, tags, and keywords are weak, buyers may never find it. That's why Etsy SEO matters. It helps your listing appear when shoppers search with buying intent. The first method is to use Etsy search to study trending demand. First, go to the Etsy website and sign in. Then use the search bar at the top. Here, look at trending topics and search suggestions. Start typing product-related words. Etsy often shows autocomplete suggestions based on shopper demand. This matters because autocomplete is market data disguised as convenience. It often reveals what buyers are actively searching. Then, choose a keyword or listing that seems relevant to your product. Open a top-performing item. Here, look carefully at product title, phrase structure, main keyword placement, descriptive wording, category relevance, and tags. If you copy a specific keyword phrase and search it, top relevant listings often rank strongly because they match intent closely. That's the principle you want to use. A second method would be to use keyword research tools. Go to ehunt.ai. Then click Database, then on Keyword Analysis. Search a keyword you're considering. Here, there are different variables, such as competition, shows how many sellers are targeting that keyword. Views, show potential interest and traffic estimates. Favorites, show buyer engagement signal. Sales, show commercial demand indicator. Reviews, show market maturity and seller activity clue. To use the data, choose keywords that balance, such as relevant to your product, decent demand, reasonable competition, and strong buying intent. High traffic with impossible competition is not always better than moderate traffic with realistic opportunity. Build better titles. You can do this by using researched keywords naturally in titles. Build better tags. You can do this by using tag slots strategically. Also, make sure to use natural language. To summarize, optimizing Etsy listings for SEO starts by logging into Etsy and using the search bar to study trending suggestions and buyer search behavior. By examining successful listings, you can identify how effective titles are structured and which specific keyword phrases are being targeted. Rather than using broad tags, stronger SEO usually comes from specific phrases that clearly match buyer intent. A second method involves using keyword tools such as ehunt.ai, where you can analyze metrics like competition, views, favorites, sales, and reviews to evaluate keyword opportunities. Etsy search is a marketplace. Your job is to speak the buyer's language better than competitors do. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.